If you are afraid that someone take your phone and check browsing history, then watch this video. We will learn how to delete the browsing history. Next time someone asks your phone, you don't have to afraid to give your phone. Most of us browsing in Chrome, so that's only I choose in Chrome. If anybody wants other search engine, then feel free to comment below. At first, open your Chrome. I will show you in my laptop. This also same in phone as well. Click the three dotted button in top right corner. You see the option delete browsing data. Click that. You can also use shortcut to get straight into it. The shortcut key is Ctrl plus Shift plus delete. After that you see two options. First one is basic. It delete basic caches browsing history. The other one is advanced option. This will delete all information such as browsing history, cookies, caches, and even your downloading history. Choose anyone, but I recommended to take advanced option because I want privacy. If you want, then do it. After choosing the option, select time range. I recommend all time. Click delete data and it will delete your browsing history, and hereafter you don't need to afraid when your 6-year-old cousin take your phone. You feel like why I make this video that are known to everyone in this world. I also know it, but I didn't delete my browsing history. One day my friend checked my browsing history and teases in front of everyone. I don't want that happen to you. So that's only I made this video. If you like this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more future updates. Comment yes if you already deleted your browsing history. See you in the next video. Goodbye.